Alright, so good morning everybody. Today is the last day that I really have to work on this project before I go into surgery. I'm going into surgery tomorrow to get my hand fixed. I've got carpal tunnel pretty bad and trigger finger in these fingers, actually in all of them. So yeah, today is the day. I need to complete this whole deal. I need to get that sea container cleaned out so I can start putting cars in there. I'll probably work on this for 8 to 10 hours, and hopefully I'll be pulling cars in there tonight and be able to wrap this project up and start working on something else.
You know what? Hi, how you doing?
Ryan McGuire stopped by.
Thought I'd come see out the new project.
That John Moseley built.
Seems like a handful.
Car.
Can't wait to get in it.
We got a 10 ton here. I'll show you a 10 ton here. They're picking up some backing track.
I know that dude. Yeah, he drove for me on something. Yeah.
Thanks, Lee.
All right, man. I'm doing a YouTube channel, so you're on it now.
Hey! Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
All
up,
right, my
man?
friend. Nice to meet you,
Nice
Joe
to meet
Hill.
you. Ryan.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Pleasure. You guys have a great one.
You too. All right. You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready, man. Let's see this bad boy.
I walk faster than everybody.
You want to borrow some money to start this thing or what?
Yeah, buy my trailer.
Low interest, man. Come on now. I got cash. Oh boy. She's a doozy.
Right?
Yeah. Where them trailing arms at?
They're in the front or the back.
Alright.
I'm gonna take a break here in a minute, go do some recycling and get some lunch. Check back in a little bit. Man, the moment that I got in the car, it just zapped the energy out of me. I just like want to go back and take a nap. But I'm not gonna, I got too much to do. Does that happen to anybody else? Just as soon as you're working really hard and as soon as you sit down, it's like you just want to go to sleep. Here I am. Well, the recycle place is just up ahead. Look at all that stuff. Ladders and shit. Alright, the truck is empty. So what do you guys think? Let's make some bets on how much money I'm getting back on recycling. I had a whole truck bed full of steel and some aluminum bits and whatnot. I'm thinking, I'm hoping, I don't know, $100? That'd be kind of cool. Anyways, we'll go find out. So I have to get my weight one more time so they know how much metal I dropped off. So I gotta drive my truck back up onto the scale here, but I'm waiting for this Yahoo to get out of my way. All right, here we go. We're on it. Just gotta wait for them to tell me to go. That was my call. Get out of here, go around, and then come in the back way so I can get my money. It is nasty here, dusty and dirty. Ugh. Look at that. Look at that shit. Get out of here. All right, so they paid me out, and it was a lot better than I expected. 1, 2, 3, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 440 bucks. Recycle. All right, I'm back. Recycling's done. Had some lunch. Now I'm tired. I just want to go to sleep. So I've been walking back and forth from this sea container here to the other one around the way that I'm loading all my grip gear into. Back and forth for the past like 3 days. And I keep walking past this label that fell off of a milk crate or something. And talking to myself, I got to thinking. They can mean two things. You'd be like someone that's pissed off, who hates guns. It's like, screw guns, man. No one should have guns. Only the military should have guns. People that have guns are crazy. Or it could be like, screw guns. Just screw guns. Got James over here making some smoothing this thing out so we can get the trailer down this little spot. See if he's done messing around over here. Oh, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that's great. There you go. Wish me luck. This has been a little bit of a challenge.
What is?
I'm videotaping. James, say hi.
Hey, you're videotaping?
I'm videotaping.
Hey.
I was a little difficult getting this thing back here.
A little?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, go forward.
Okay. Move forward.
And hold it. Okay.
I have a piece of wood we can put down in between the...
We're good. We're golden right there.
All right, cool. I'm gonna...
We're good.
All right, here I come. Oh, man. You almost ran over the football.
You should have seen the tires that were shoved up in your truck.
Oh my gosh. The goats over there laughing at us. Are you recording?
I'm recording you. Are you recording me?
Weird.
No. I'm gonna send you these videos. That way you can have more videos of you.
Oh jeez. My piece of wood's not that long. I'll figure it out. All right, cool.
Well, I kept saying go to your left, but you were like crying about it. Maybe if your door opened up.
Do you see this? This is insane. Holy. Wow, this is nuts.
Hold on, my mom's calling.
Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Life was a lot easier when I didn't have good friends.
You used to worry about your own stuff all the time. Here,
Yeah, we got more done.
On that cable.
Oh, that's right, you put that in.
I think we should do
Potty mouth. You didn't mean that.
one on the other side here.
There's one right in the middle.
What do you think?
You know what?
They're pretty janky, dude. These ones.
Oh, especially how you mount them. And one in the back.
I got two.
We're going to have to just get down to there and then just pick it up and get it onto the flats.
Yeah. Do you think that one just handle the back?
Yeah.
Those ones that he had were made out of 2x4s. This it's gonna snap that. Okay. Good enough.
Okay, I'll move your camera inside the den.
Now you go inside.
We need it. We're good. Let's just pick it up and walk it in. Here, I'm gonna pick it up again. You move that dolly with those wheels. Now we're really dragging on the floor.
Yeah, that'll be great.
Okay, let's put one of those rollers right in the front. Right in the middle in the front.
Okay.
And then it'll do it again. Because all I do is move heavy equipment.
Ready?
I mean, not a street. Let's both pick up this end.
I bet you we just get on that piece of wood.
Let's put the dollar in the middle. We seriously need tires and wheels. I want to see this thing. No. That means we're going to take forever to build this thing. I don't want to build it.
It's like, your last breath. This is no way to spin in my Twitter Mosebilt.
The trailer is bigger than a 50 sedan. Is it? Oh, this dolly is on its last leg. Hey, stretch the paint on you.
Can I get a Manx in behind that? I sure can.
Do you know how much room you have back here? Dude, we can fit 2 spares like yours.
There it is. I made it. Got the Manx in. And the off-road car back there. Got some room for a couple of bicycles over here. And I'll be good. Stoked. It's awesome.
I owe Haley a car wash.
No, it's not really going towards my house, it's going towards their house. They always complain too.
I wonder why.
I can taste it in my teeth.
Dude. Idols.
Runs great.
Yeah.
What's that smell?
It could be burning fuel. I'm not sure. Maybe everything else burning on it too.
Their sound smells like electrical fire. Like
I brought a fire extinguisher with me because I didn't really trust it that much.
it could just be the differential.
I think it could just be the exhaust and the rat poop that's in the mufflers.
Yeah.
The fuel pump I bought did not even come close to fitting. So, you know, you cut it in half and you just shove it all back together and hose clamp with a bunch of stuff and just shove it in the tank and it fires right up.
You have a jerry-rigged fuel pump in there?
Yeah, bare wires inside the tank. It's safe.
That's
Dude,
awesome.
Runs like a top though.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't even check the tires, the oil or the water. It's good.
Well, this was going to be a free car for Kai, but he didn't want to come out here and work on it. So James got it working.
I got it running
in like a day. Apparently, it was just
a fuel pump.
The fuel pump. That's it.
$175 plus a battery. She's a ripper.
Yep. Runs great now.
Dude, I'm gonna buy tires next week. The exhaust leak fixed. We'll pass smog. It's pretty cool.
Smog.
I don't know why I'm more excited about this than getting the race car running. I have to work on that. I think a little stop leak.
Is that what I was smelling?
It's gushing some power steering fluid out the side over here. That's okay though. It's got these sweet
oh yeah, look at that.
these
It probably just needs to be tightened.
what is it, Januis? It's got a running elephant as the tire. I mean, it's gotta be good.
It's like his birthday.
It's fun. I love this thing. I love getting junk that not supposed to run running. Dude, the electric mirrors even work. It even comes with an extra switch.
That one might be bad.
Oh, those ones work.
That's probably why the other one's in there.
And I found the rest of the stereo. Oh, that's only half. There's no stereo in there. There's like a 25 disc changer in the back.
That's how old this car is and
Yeah.
how long it's been since it's run.
Yeah.
25 disc changer. You know, I think I have one in my bus. No, it's all covered up now, so.
Look at you all cleaned up right here. Look good.
Yeah. Well, that video ran a little bit long, but it's because James showed up late and wanted to show off his Pathfinder. But yeah, I'm done. Going to bed. Got a surgery tomorrow. Gonna do this, if you can see that, to this end tomorrow. Have a good night, y'all.